If your paint gets too hot while polishing, you might actually be creating more work for yourself. Most beginners never notice it until it's too late. Here's something a lot of detailers learn the hard way. Polishing isn't just about removing scratches. It's about controlling heat. Every pass of the machine creates friction, and friction creates temperature. The hotter the panel gets, the softer the clear coat becomes. That's when you can end up with haze, smearing, or even defects that seem to disappear, then magically come back later. One of the easiest ways to avoid this is to keep your pad clean. A clogged pad builds extra friction and traps heat. Next, don't stay in one spot for too long. Keep the machine moving with smooth, overlapping passes instead of chasing one scratch for minutes. If the panel feels hot to the touch, stop for a moment. Give both the paint and the pad a chance to cool before continuing. And finally, match your machine to the job. A random orbital is usually the safest option for beginners because it spreads heat more evenly while still giving excellent results. Professional-looking results aren't about polishing harder, they're about polishing smarter. Control the heat, and your finish will stay clearer, glossier, and easier to correct. Follow for more car detailing tips that actually save you time, money, and paint.